Vitalik Buterin, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, moved 500 ETH to the Reflexor protocol to mint a RAI token and exchange it for USDC. This move demonstrates his interest in reducing exposure to the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. It also highlights the growing importance of decentralized stablecoins. It also shows that even the most influential players in the cryptocurrency space were taking advantage of the USDC depeg. It was almost certain that the mechanism behind it would lead to the redemption of the $1 peg. Overall, Vitalik Buterin's move to use the Reflexor protocol to mint a RAI token and exchange it for USDC is a testament to the growing importance of decentralized stablecoins. It also highlights the savvy of Buterin, as he was able to capitalize on the USDC depeg and reduce his exposure to the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. This move should serve as an inspiration to other investors in the crypto space and shows that even the most experienced players in the space can still benefit from market conditions. This week's sudden collapse of Silicon Valley Bank has caused chaos in the crypto market. It has also sparked a scramble from regulators and Federal Reserve officials to prevent it from turning into a full-blown financial meltdown. Changpeng CZ Zhao and Elon Musk have both hinted at the possibility of buying Silicon Valley Bank, however, no further details were provided. This comes after the failure of Silvergate Bank earlier this week, which was caused by customer withdrawals from FTX last year. Some in the crypto industry believe the US is attempting to stifle the technology through Operation Choke Point 2.0. The recent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank has caused chaos in the crypto market, as regulators and Federal Reserve officials attempt to prevent a full-blown financial meltdown. The crypto industry has already been dealing with its own banking crisis due to the failure of Silvergate, and some believe the US is waging an unofficial war against crypto companies. Changpeng CZ Zhao, the CEO of the world's largest crypto exchange Binance, and Tesla billionaire Elon Musk both hinted that now could be the time to buy a bank. CZ suggested Binance could potentially buy a bank to bridge traditional finance with crypto, while Musk said he is open to the idea of Twitter buying Silicon Valley Bank. It remains to be seen if either of these options will be pursued, or if other solutions can be found to prevent further instability in the crypto market. Matt Hamilton, former director of developer relations at Ripple, noted that XRP Ledger was the first blockchain to support stablecoins. Now these are commonly referred to as such. He pointed out that on XRPL they are called IOU instruments, i.e., debt obligations. The shift in how they were viewed came with the arrival of Ethereum. Hamilton concluded by remarking that Circle, issuer of one of the largest stablecoins, USDC, held some of its multi-billion-dollar reserves directly in Silicon Valley Bank. This article provides an interesting insight into the development of stablecoins and their evolution over time. Matt Hamilton's perspective as a former director of developer relations at Ripple offers a unique perspective on the subject and is worth considering. The article also highlights the recent problems faced by some regional US banks and the potential impact this could have on the stablecoin market. Peter Schiff, CEO of Euro-Pacific Capital, has been a vocal critic of Bitcoin. He is predicting a steep decline in its value, suggesting it could go below $4,000. Schiff is urging investors to sell Bitcoin and buy gold instead, claiming Bitcoin has no real value and is a speculative asset. Despite Schiff's negative predictions, Bitcoin has proven resilient and continued to bounce back from price swings. Whether Schiff's latest prediction will come true remains to be seen. This article discusses Peter Schiff's prediction that the price of Bitcoin will soon drop below $4,000. Schiff has been a vocal critic of Bitcoin for years and continues to urge investors to avoid the largest cryptocurrency. Despite Schiff's bearish prediction, Bitcoin has always managed to bounce back after significant price swings, suggesting that it is a resilient asset. It remains to be seen whether Schiff's latest prediction will come true. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution. It provides developers with tools to create scalable, decentralized applications with increased security and user-friendliness. MATIC is Polygon's native token. It has several key uses within the ecosystem, such as powering the protocol through a gas-based mechanism and network governance. MATIC has limited supply, adding to its value, and is being adopted by a growing range of companies and developers, driving its price appreciation. Recently, Polygon has achieved network carbon neutrality, and partnered with Nike, Stripe and Adobe's Behance, among others. MATIC has seen a price appreciation of more than 28% since the beginning of 2023. However, it was recently impacted by the Silvergate crisis and various regulatory steps. However, with its unique features and partnerships, MATIC is well positioned to see further price appreciation in the coming years. Polygon is a cryptocurrency with a maximum total supply of 10 billion tokens, 8 billion of which are currently in circulation. The remaining 2 billion tokens will be unlocked periodically over the next 4 years, with the initial exchange offering held on Binance. The future of Polygon is largely seen as positive, with crypto experts predicting the token should be worth at least $3.39 in 2025 and up to $9.36. In 2030, MATIC is expected to be trading between $22.74 and $27.07. The major factors that will influence MATIC's price in the coming years are predictions, social sentiment and the Fear and Greed Index. This article provides an extensive overview of Polygon and its native token, MATIC. It details the many features and advantages of Polygon, such as its use as a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, its partnerships with major companies, and its focus on performance, user experience, and security. The article also provides insight into MATIC's price appreciation and its use as a gas-based mechanism to power the protocol. The article goes into detail about the various partnerships that Polygon has secured, such as with Adobe's Behance, DraftKings, and billionaire hedge fund manager Alan Howard. It also provides information on Polygon's latest milestones, such as its hard fork, Terra Developers Fund, and its collaboration with Nike. The article provides a comprehensive look at MATIC's performance, as well as data from blockchain analytics firm Sentiment and Polygon's weekly analytics report. Overall, the article provides a comprehensive overview of Polygon and MATIC, and the information provided is useful for those looking to invest in the crypto space. The overall consensus for Polygon's future is positive, with the majority of experts expecting the coin to rise in value in the coming years.